Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make mousse foundation at home. We'll start by understanding what makes mousse foundation unique and why creating your own can be so rewarding. This process gives you complete control over the ingredients, ensuring a perfect match for your skin tone and type. Get ready to discover a fun and creative way to enhance your beauty routine with a personalized product. Now, let's gather everything you'll need for your homemade mousse foundation. Start with your favorite liquid foundation, a good quality silicone-based primer, and some fine silica powder. For tools, grab a small, clean mixing bowl, a mini whisk, and an airtight container for storage. Having all your items ready before you begin makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. The mixing process is where the magic happens. Begin by combining your liquid foundation and primer in the bowl. Next, slowly incorporate the silica powder, whisking gently but consistently. The goal is to achieve a light, whipped texture, similar to a culinary mousse. Keep mixing until all ingredients are thoroughly blended and the foundation feels smooth and airy without any grittiness. Once your mousse foundation is mixed, you can customize it further. If the shade isn't quite right, add a tiny bit more of your liquid foundation or a darker pigment. For more coverage, simply whisk in a little extra silica powder. Store your beautiful, custom-made mousse foundation in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It should stay fresh for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.